first, I don't have on any pants. And we're today, because I'm black, we're gonna make Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid. So because I'm not that black and I don't know how to really make Kool-Aid, I read the instructions. This little thing right here, the instructions. And the instructions, I did exactly what the instructions said. And then they said add 1 cup of sugar. And then you mix that on that. And then they said add cold water. Ooh, it looks all nice and red like blood. We're filling it up. Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid. When your mama bend over in a red dress, everybody yell, Kool-Aid. This Kool-Aid making thing brings out the inner black in me. Okay. Now to put ice in it. I was supposed to put ice in it. Oops. How about this? We're gonna stir it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Making Kool-Aid fun to do. Each day is something new. It's cooking with DeMarco at noon. Oh shoot, should these videos come out at noon? Cooking with DeMarco at noon? That'd be poppin'. I think that should be the new name. Cooking with DeMarco at noon. Why am I always making liquid? Should I actually make some food? I should do like easy bake, shouldn't I? Easy. I actually did easy bake before, and it wasn't so easy baking. Like, they said child supervision, but the point of an easy bake is so that you don't need, child supervision, adult supervision. And the point of easy bake is so you don't need supervision. You can just bake that crap in your room. Okay, let's taste it. That tastes like crap! Okay. Mom, if you're watching, I did get over my cold. What's this missing? You think another packet of Kool-Aid? Let's add another packet of Kool-Aid. I don't think that Kool-Aid packet is good for you. But it sure is sour. This should make it into like some type of candy. Okay, so we're mixing. I add another Kool-Aid. Let's see.
What time is it? 8:01. Okay.
Does it need some sugar? Let's grab the biggest spoon you can find out of your drawer. Just kidding, I have this one. Ooh. If you had diabetes, this Kool-Aid would not be advised. Okay, that's enough. Thought I was joking about the diabetes thing, didn't you? Okay, we're mixing. Cooking with DeMarco at noon. I think it would taste a lot better if it's cold, but this thing is banging. Ooh. Twerk for the Kool-Aid, twerk for the Kool-Aid, twerk for the Kool-Aid. This was Cooking with DeMarco. Ice Bucket Challenge. Just kidding. Like we ain't going to waste no Kool-Aid. Over and out. Let's close out fine. Wait. Peace out.